all of you here. Yeah, so, grabe, we are overwhelmed by your trust, by your confidence in us, and by your care for us, just as we love you as well.
I love you, sir!
So,
Oh
first,
my God, Dave!
napaghandaan po yung event na to para ho sa inyong lahat in the hope that you will cherish this final moment with us. Yeah. And we are really privileged, we are really honored, and we're humbled even more to have all of you here with us.
Sorry,
of course, we will not be able to find our work so meaningful without your presence.
Yes.
So maraming salamat po for giving meaning to our profession.
I love you, sir! I love you, sir! Sabog! Sabog!
May kahihiyan pa sa akin. So, also, ayan, we also prepare this event for all of you in the hope na makatulong ho magpa-distract ng ating mind at as we celebrate, we hope that you will enjoy, have fun, because pinaghirapan, lalo na ho ng mga RN staff ho, pinaghirapan ho talaga ang event ko to. Can we give them a round of applause, please? Lahat ng mga RN staff. We really work hard to put this up for you to enjoy, for you to have fun, para ma-lessen yung anxiety natin. At the same time, we are here to be reminded that our major goal is to pass the board exam. Tama po ba?
Yes!
Will you pass the board? Will you top the board?
Yes!
Will you make your parents proud?
Yes!
Yeah, and of course, class, this is also a gathering for us to reassure you that whatever happens before until after the board exam, you will always remain as our RN family. Wala pong magkakalimutan after yung event na to. And we assure you, class, that we desire nothing but the best for you. Remember that each of you is destined for something great. Tama po ba? Each of you is destined by God for something great. So remember at the end of the day, at the end of everything, we should always bring glory, greater glory to God. Tama po ba? So, let me now give the floor back to our MC and let us enjoy the rest of the day. We love you, class. We will surely miss you. God bless you.